and welcome back to another unboxing obsession video. If you are new to my channel and you enjoy watching unboxings, you are more than welcome to join my channel. If you do, I would suggest for you to hit that notification bell. That way, every time I upload a video, you will be immediately notified and you will miss an unboxing. Guys, BoxyCharm has been like my box for I don't even know how long, for years. I think ever since I started this channel, this has been one of my boxes. And now we have news, guys. You don't have to be a regular charmer to receive the premium box, and also believe to receive the luxe box too. Ooh, isn't that amazing? So with that said, let's get started. I will leave you guys all the details and information, everything you need to know in order to subscribe to this amazing beauty box. Ooh, look at all this. Okay, so the theme for this month is going to be, it says BoxyCharm Gift of Glam. So it's going to be Gift of Glam, I believe is the theme. Look how pretty. Ooh, we are in December, guys. Happy December, by the way. This is my information card as well. Everything that's inside my box is always going to be listed here, and BoxyCharm thus gives you the retail price of each item that is inside your box for your reference. This is the one I received, and let's get started. I'm gonna remove this out the way, and let's start with this because it seems like it's the biggest thing in here. So these are the brand is Araceli, and these are going to be these are the Bella Sponge Duo. There you go. Okay, and these are retail for $24. So these if you're not familiar with the beauty blenders, you can, so much stuff that you can do with this. You can blend your foundation, your concealer, cream products. Even if you need to bake, you can also use this. You can use the tip. You could use this for powder. Beauty blenders are like magic, seriously. And look, and I received two. Ooh, so pretty. Next up, guys, I'm going to pull this one out of there, and this is from Luna Liner. So it's a Luna Liner. Okay, it says there that it's water resistant and it's a liquid eyeliner. Don't see the color. I'm pretty sure it's there. Okay, let's open this so that we can take a look at it. Okay. It's sealed with plastic, guys, so I'm not going to remove the plastic just because I will be doing a huge giveaway, and this is going to go in there. So make sure that you are following me on my Instagram, my subscription obsession, because that giveaway is going to be good. So this one, guys, the Luna Liner is going to retail for $18. Okay, and this is actually it's from Seraphine Botanicals, and this is their Luna Liner. So it's water resistant, like I said, it's vegan, it's fade proof, and I am not going to open it because I have tons of eyeliner and I would like to put this in my giveaway. Next up, we have something from Benefit. Ooh, I don't think I've seen anything from Benefit from BoxyCharm yet. I think this might be my first. So this is from Benefit Cosmetics, and this is the Georgia Golden Peach Blush. Ooh, it retails for $30, and it's a peachy dream come true. It's silky, it's smooth. It has a mirror, so that's like super pretty. Look how nice that is. And it has a brush as well. Okay, next up, guys, we have something from Algae, and I love this brand. Ooh, I don't know if I said it. I don't know if I pronounced the brand correctly. but I love this brand. And this is a triple algae eye renewal balm. Ooh, ooh. Let's check it out. Ooh, love the packaging. Look at that. Look at the texture. I don't want to put my hands in there because I have been touching like everything, so I usually use like a little scoop um so that my creams don't like get dirty. So guys, this retails for $68. $68 for this, guys. And this is going to target your eye area because it has the algae technology, and it says here that it's clinically shown to help reduce dark under eye circle, bags, puffiness, lines, wrinkles, and crow's feet in just 10 days. What? I have to try this because if this works, I am going to be a fan. So next up, guys, which is our last item from this box, is going to be something from Studio Makeup. And this is their hyaluronic acid, and it's a rejuvenating serum. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, let's get to it. Ooh, look at that. Okay, this retails, guys, for $45, and it says here that this is it's perfect for all ages. It's concentrated hyaluronic acid. It's rejuvenating. It works quickly to reverse the effects of dehydration and loss of elasticity while keeping the skin highly moisture throughout the day, leaving your skin looking radiant and youthful. So you know for sure, because I love my skincare products. I am so into skincare products, guys. Make sure that you follow me again on my Instagram page because I do a lot of skincare product reviews there. Ooh, that I don't usually do videos on. Guys, with that said, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys back soon with a different unboxing video. Bye, guys.